Hello student, today I am going to discuss May June 2020 video and sound editing part. So this is our question paper and I made a duplicate copy of data file in my desktop. So at the beginning of the question paper they mention about the data file that you need to download, so you will get this one in the exam time, and they also ask you to create a evidence document with J20 and your center number and candidate number. So let me make some evidence document Microsoft Word using Microsoft Word. I'll keep maximum space of this page, so I'll change the margin. So margin should be narrow, then you'll get maximum space. First one is evidence 1. Evidence 1. Okay. So and before that you have to write your in the header and footer. Header footer they did not ask for place your name, center number, candidate number in the header of the evidence. Okay, so that means in the header you have to give your center number, insert, click on header, choose the second option, you will write your name, what they are asking for. First one is your name, so I'm writing my name. Now next one will be my name. In the middle one will be center number. If you are boy, then you have to write SA139, and candidate number as per your candidate number. Suppose I'm giving one random number here, so this is the part. So evidence 1. Now minimize this part. Now let me start with this one. Open the file 206 voice.a.mp3 in a suitable audio editing package. So you know that we are doing audio editing using Audacity, so you have to open Audacity. So after that, what they are asking to do, open this one, voice.a.mp3. so you have to file, import audio, it is belongs to desktop, that is 02, inside 02 voice A. Now after that, what they're asking to do, convert this clip from stereo to mono and trim the clip to remove the bells. Okay, first you have to make it stereo to mono. Okay, so so you have to go to track and stereo track to mono, that means single line track. Okay, so after that what you have to do, trim the clip to remove the bells. So you can trim the clip for removing the bell sound. So bell sound is belongs to the high frequency one. So what you can do, you can directly select this one and cut it, or you can trim it. So today I am going to show you how to trim. So first you have to block trim this part, which one you need to trim, and then you have to select trim option. Where is the trim option? This here, trim audio. Okay, and you see that bell sound is moved. Okay, after that what they are asking to do, add a quiet section to the end, so that the clip becomes 6 seconds long. So what is the length of this clip now? If you check, it is 3.87, so it should be 6 seconds long. You have to do that, you have to add quiet section, then it will be 6 seconds long. So for 6 seconds, how many seconds is needed? Now you have 3.8 seconds. So yeah, you can check this one by calculator. So 6 minus 3.87, so you need 2.13 seconds. Okay, so first click generate, then silent, 2.13 seconds. Okay, now check, total length will be 6 seconds. If you keep your cursor pointer here, now it will show you 6 seconds. Now check in the down part, your cursor point as it is here, that's why it is showing the selection start 6 point. Okay, done. Now after that, the 6 second long, now it is 6 second long. Amplify the sound to the maximum volume without clipping. So you have to go to effect, then amplify. This is the maximum volume without clipping, that means no need to select this one, then press OK. After that, mix the file 206 voice bmp3 to add it to the end of the first clip, so that the clip is a single monophonic track. So first we have to import that clip file, import audio, that is voice to voice b. Now you have to select the remaining part, and what they're asking, mix the file 206 voice b.mp3 to add it to the end of the first clip. So after the first clip you have to add this one. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to click in this part, time shift tools, because they mention here, so it will be single monophonic track. Okay, so you have to click time shift tools, you have to move it here, put it up, make it, keep it up. Okay, now it is fixed. Now after that, save your audio clip mp3 format as a voice followed by your center number, candidate number. Okay, so first you have to file, export audio mp3 format. Now it should be voice underscore center number SA139 underscore candidate number 1234, and where you have to save, in that your 02 folder. Now save. Okay, done. Now next, what they're asking, save your audio clip, this one, evidence one, your audio clip. So you have to show the evidence that it is saved properly. So how to show the evidence? That voice, this one, you have to keep your cursor pointer here. Okay, and the file size mp3 file format, this thing should be available, type and size. Okay, then you take the screenshot, print screen, or you can use snipping tool, and after evidence one you have to paste it. Select this one, crop this one by selecting format, crop this part, crop this one also. Now make it big. Okay, Ctrl Z, crop up to this part, so it will show you the file name, type and other things. So make it big, it should be visible. Here you can write down according to question paper, what is that evidence, your audio clip. Now evidence one, you can write down audio clip. Okay, now next part, evidence 2. So next question, open 206 tgc1.mp4. so you have to close Audacity, this part is over. No, and now you have to open Windows Movie Maker. After that, what they're asking to do, they're asking that open 206 tgc1 mp4 in your video editing software, set the aspect ratio 16:9, remove the sound from the clip. So first you have to add this one, this one. If you need to see it in larger format, you can click here, the plus sign, the down right corner, and then what they're asking to do, it should be it should be widescreen should be 16:9, and there should not be any sound, right? They asked to, what they're asking, remove the all sound from the clip. Normally in Windows Movie Maker, you cannot like remove the sound. So what you can do, you can edit menu, go to edit menu, you can mute the sound, just click it. Right, now next one, save your video clip mp4 format with the resolution, this one, 854 480, and file name will be 206 tgc2 underscore followed by your center number, candidate number. So you have to save it, file, save movies for computer, and if you click here you can check that according to the question paper resolution. You can check the resolution file save movie for computer. If you click here, it is showing the resolution as they are asking in the question paper, 854 into 480 pixel. So for computer, and what will be the name, 206 TGC2 206 hyphen TGC2 TGC2 underscore followed underscore your center number SA139 and candidate number 1234, and then click on save. Now what you have to do, evidence to your video clip. So now you have to make the evidence, same process, minimize this one, open 02 folder. So where is your video clip? MP4, this one, right? So you select this one, take a print screen button, then go to your evidence document, and here you write down video clip, and after that Ctrl V, select this one, format, crop option, you can select it like this way, put it like this. Now if you make it big, it will show you the file name, okay, in silence. So it is not showing the heading. So what you can do, you can delete this one, take again this part, so keep your cursor pointer here, select this one, it should be selected, print screen button, and then put it here, select this one, format, crop it, crop this part also after this, then make it big. Now evidence 3, make it bold. Okay, now next question, what we have to do, this part is done, TGC2, right? Take the still image from the first clip, first frame of this clip, okay? Save this with file name 206 TGC3. So you have to take the still image. So how to do that one? So from the first frame, still image from where? Take the still image from the first frame of the clip. So you have to keep your cursor point at the beginning, and then you have to go to home and snapshot. Clip means still image means snapshot. So select snapshot, and you have to save it like a 206 hyphen TGC3. 206 TGC3 in the format. Okay, now save, right? So you can make this one small, this is your clip, and what they're asking, take a still image from format. Okay, evidence 3. Okay, now you have to show the evidence. So where is the still image? This one, PNG file, and take the screenshot, go to your evidence document, still image, Ctrl V, select this one, format, crop this option, crop it, and crop up to this part. Make it big. Okay, done. Next one, what they're asking, check the question paper, this part also done. Use the files saved in step 2 and 3. So that means in step 2 what it is saved, step 2 I saved this file TGC2, that is video MP4, right, the video, and step 3 we saved that image still image. Okay, so what they are asking, use the file saved in step 2 and 3, create a video clip to match the following storyboard. Okay, all text should be displayed in the in a consistent sans-serif font. Do not use transaction unless introduced. To do so, time 0 second. So it will start from time 0 second. That means it will start from 0 second, and background image will be that one, 206 TGC3. So based on this question we can say that, so our background image, first image will be that one, which one we took as a still image, right? So I'll move it here, it should be here. And what they're asking to do, name of the company placed as a title in the top right corner. So you have to create a title, and that title will be name of the company. Click on title, and what will be the name of the company? The Tawara Gaming Computers. So this one. So after that, what you have to do, you have to write here, and according to question what they're asking, name of the company placed as a title in the top right corner. Okay, so it should be title as a top right corner, so you make it small little bit, and it should be top side, and it should be right align, right? And after that, what you have to do, it should be over which screen? Over that still image. So what I'll do, I'll drag it and put it here. Okay, and I will delete this one. So our title is over. Now you can check this one. If you run it, it will show you the title. Oh, title is deleted, sorry. So you have to keep your title little bit right side, then delete this one. Now it's okay. Now title is visible. Now question is that what will be the length of this slide or clip? You have to understand that one. You check first, it started from 0, and it will be, and for second one, and time will be up to second. So if you subtract this one, you will get 2 seconds, right? So this background image will be run for 2 seconds, even that title also, because the difference between 0 and 2, it will start from 0 and it will end at 2. So the difference between 0 and 2 is 2. So it should be, duration should be, if you go for the edit and for the duration for first slide still image, it will be 2 seconds. Even the text duration also be 2 seconds, right? Understood? 4 seconds. Done. Now next, time 2 seconds. For time 2 seconds, you have to do the remaining part. And what will be the next part timing is 4 seconds. So what is the difference between this 4 and 2? 2, right? So next one will be also 2 seconds. The title text and the background remain. That means the title text and the background will be same with the text water cooling system. So just you have to add this sentence, water cooling system. So that means you have to copy this one, Control C, keep your cursor pointer after this one, and Control V. You see that screenshot is going last part, move it first. That means after the first is still image, and the title should be same. They mentioned the question paper. Control C, Control V. Just paste it, copy it and paste it here. Where you have to paste it? You have to paste it in this. It should be right side in this part. So what you have to do, you have to keep it in this part, still image. So what they are mentioning, check again. The title text and background remain with the text. That means title and background will be same with the text water cooling system added as a suitable subtitle below the title. So what you have to do, you have to select this one, and you have to print, you have to type water cooling system, controls water cooling system, Control C, and here you have to paste water cooling system. Okay, done. Now next one is 4 seconds. And what is the difference between 4 and 6? 2. All elements added so far remain with the subtitle text. So all will element, that means the same thing again you have to copy. Same thing means the second still image, second slide. So it will be same. So what you will do, Control C, keep your cursor pointer after this part here and Control V. Okay, now here what you have to do, you have to Control C this one, the same thing as it will be same thing, just Control C Control V, that means copy and paste, and you have to move this one, and it should be also for 2 seconds. Did I mention this one as a 2 second? Yes, even the duration and everything mentioned. This one also for 2 seconds, but what will be the difference? Let me make it 2 second, duration 2 second, done. What will be the difference? Difference is that you have to add this word for overlocked processor. So click here, after this line you have to add another line, Control C, over for overlocked processors. Okay, done. Next part. So you understood, I think, that the difference, the time would be 2 seconds for both of them. Okay, this one and upper one also, because the difference of the second is 2. Here in this one, time 6 seconds. So time 6 seconds means where? Here 6.03. okay, time 6 seconds, you have to start from here. All element added so far remain. Okay, that means again I have to take another screenshot like the same thing, but here they didn't ask to add anything, any word or any sentence. So what I will do, copy this one and put your cursor pointer here, Control V, make it left side, and this one should be here. Again what you have to do, you have to copy the same thing, Control C Control V. You have to copy the just before this one, this title, not other titles. Okay, okay, now here what will be the length of this one? The length of this one is 4, because 10 minus 6 is 4. So this one should be, duration should be 4, even the text duration also be 4. Okay, done. Now times 10 second. Now it will start from 10 second. Smooth 2 second transaction, okay, between 10 and 12 second into the video clips saved in step 2. Okay, so now that means after 10 second you have to give one transaction. Now where is my 10 second? You have to check this one. We forgot to do one thing. Here they mentioned that audio clip saved at step 1 start. So I have to add audio clip here. Okay, from which part? All elements will be added from the 6 point number 6. So 6.03, right? We need to add audio clip here, 6.03. okay, now how to add the audio clip? Go to home, then add music at the current position. So where is my audio clip? This is my audio clip, right? MP3. Okay, now what they're asking, the 10 second. Now our next thing will start at 10 second. Now if I go for the 10 second, that time where I have to go, definitely more part of, we have to check about another part. So you have to keep our cursor pointer in 10 second. So this is my 10 second position. So what we have to do here, 10.03 you can take. What we have to do here according to question paper, so smooth 2 second transaction. Okay, after 10 second you have to give one transaction into the video clip saved in step 2. okay, now to next display. So you have to give one transaction for video, before video clip. Okay, so where you have to go, animation and smooth transaction. So you can take one transaction.
Cooling systems, cooling system, cooling systems, cooling systems.
You can give one transaction.
Cooling systems, cooling systems, cooling systems, cooling systems.
can give any kind of
Cooling
transaction
systems.
here. Okay, suppose
Cooling.
I'm giving this transaction. So this transaction gave where Control Z again, do it. So it is given in 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, just give one transaction.
Cooling system.
Or you can mention any other transaction like
Cooling
this.
systems.
Like this, good, looking good. Okay, now you see when transaction. Now what is going on? Check. Smooth 2-second transaction is given into the video clip saved in step 2 to the next display. Now question is that our video clip should start from 10 seconds, right? Because if I check the previous question, 10 second smooth 2-second transaction. So when you give transaction, that time you'll see some portion of the video is not there, like 8.703. It was 10, right? After giving the transaction, you see we loses how many seconds? We loses that part is deleted after, because a transaction is set up there. So what how many part is deleted? So 1.3, right? 1.30. So what we can do, we can increase the duration of this this clip. So from where from that edit part 1.30 you need to increase. So 5 point, it should be 5.30. so 5.30 if I increase like this. Now check, if I keep my cursor pointer here, so our video clip is starting from 10.30. okay, you add 2 seconds, that will be better, because 2 seconds is deleted after giving the transaction, near about 2 seconds. So what you will do, you will keep your cursor pointer here. What was the duration? 6. It will be 6 seconds. Okay, the duration will be 6 seconds. Now if I check this one, so our video will start from exactly 10 point 10.73. it will be okay, because this one, this like text one, it is crossing your image, so it should not be, in the video clip. So what you will do, the text duration format, text duration will be, suppose I'll reduce this on 5 seconds. Yeah, that is okay, I think. Now if you run this one, it will be like this. Okay, 10.83, 10.773. okay, now next part of this thing, what they're asking, time 19.8 second. So now we have to check what is the total timing. It is 19, it should be 19.8 second. So but here it is 20.31, right? So what we can do now, so time we should start from 19.8 seconds. So what we can do, 19.8. so for finding out the 19.8, first you have to find out which one, how many part you need to reduce in the video. Okay, so calculator 19 point, so first our length is 20.31 and minus 19.8. sorry, I made a mistake. 20.31 minus 19.8 equal to 0.51. so 0.51 you have to reduce. You understood where is that part? So I took 2 seconds, right? So it is increased. For that it should be 1.5 seconds. So if I take 1.5 seconds, that was correct. So what we can do, so here we can this length of this video we can reduce 0.51. so what we can do, so we can give 5 point if I give 30, now see 5.30. Now what happened, check. Now what will be the length of your video? 19.61. so it should be 5 point the duration. If I increase little bit, that 5 point like 50. Now check your duration, total length 19.81. it is perfect. Okay, now after that what they are asking, time 19.8 second, take a still image from the last frame of the video file and display this is a background until the end of your video. Take a still image from the last frame of your video file, display as a background until end of the video. Display the appropriate credit scrolling up the screen including the edited by your name. Okay, so that means still image I have to take from the video part. So we have to go to home, keep your cursor pointer at last, snapshot. Did they ask for the still image? No, just I'm saving snap, save, and then snap is here, and here we need to give credit, right? Take a still image from the last frame of the video file and display this is as a background until the end of your video. Okay, now you have to give what, that credit. Click on credit. So credit edited by, you have to write down what, edited by your name, your center number and candidate number. Edited by your name, then center number SA139 comma candidate number 1234. Now this credit should be over this part. Okay, now I need to delete this one. Now you check the video how it's look like.
Overclocked processors often require water cooling systems. These have a water-cooled heatsink on the processor with pipes leading to a radiator with a cooling fan.
Okay, done. Okay, I think we finish our question. Let me check this one. Display the appropriate creator. This is done. Okay, done. This question paper is over. So then export your video clip as this one followed by 206 tg c4 followed by your center number, candidate number .mp4 format. So you know how to do this format and you have to take a screenshot of that one also. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem you can ask me in the class.